Hey everybody, it's me, your old pal Double D, coming back at you with another product review. If you're here, anyways, last week, was it last week? No, I'm pretty sure it was about last week. Me, Smooches, the Red Ninja, and my little spooky girl, Daffy, we went down to Sioux City to a Ross. Well, we didn't go there for that, but there was a Ross, so we eventually went to the Ross. I came across some cool things that I'm going to review for you. Now, I've noticed lately Ross's prices have really, I've noticed Ross prices have really sucked. I mean, they're not much cheaper than a regular store anymore, so yeah, finding a bargain is rare and in between, especially up here. I mean, we went down to Sioux City. In the town I live in right now, the scalpers have it on lockdown, and I hope they fall into their own wood chipper. Anyways, let's not get off topic. I tend to ramble. What I did find was, the thing I found was, boom, that's right, Batman Beyond Gotham City in the Future Batarang replica. Sorry, I'm trying to get a good picture here. I paid $9.99 for this, and I had to pass on some pretty cool figures because I couldn't afford them all. Because again, like I said, the prices aren't that much different in the store. I work retail, so anyways, I also found this, the Batarang replica Batman the Classic TV series. Everybody knows I'm a big Adam West fan. First thing we're going to check out is the Batman Beyond. I enjoyed this show. I have never seen every episode. Anyways, I enjoyed the show. I liked the Batman that was in it, Terry McGinnis. You know what I mean. What do you say we take a look? Cut the tab. I've had these things for like a week, but I've been so busy. Now the item is kind of small. I'm guessing that this is supposed to be the holder, because it does have a bat symbol. Bat symbol right up here. Sorry, I gotta keep adjusting the lights. They're a lot brighter than they used to be. Oh, it's got some zip tie downs. Now they also had the animated series grappling gun, but I didn't have any money for that. Anyways, that's cool. I'll probably just put this on the wall like this. Yeah, boy. Okay, it has a battery compartment on it for some reason. I didn't actually read the... Oh, look at that. It lights up. Oh, I did not know that. That is cool. Wish I had the one that lit up red, but I assume I've seen a red one. I assume it lights up the same way. Does it do anything else? No. I thought it folded up, but apparently not. Where is the box? Okay. Activate, deactivate LED feature. Oh, it says on the box. I'm sorry, I didn't read that. But look at that. Tell me that is not freaking cool. I mean, it's good for the size of your hand. I do wish it folded up into itself. I thought it did, but apparently I was wrong. All in all, though, that's definitely going on the wall. Boom. Cool. My review of this one, it's cool. I recommend it if you can find it. Oh, I just wish there was a way to like turn it. Oh, did that thing just blink? I wish there was a way to like turn it on and leave it on, because I don't just have it hang on the wall like that with it on. All in all, though, pretty freaking sweet. let's take a look at the other one, the 1966 TV series with Adam West and Burt Ward. Burt Ward? Well, that was weird. Now this one I did read, and it does fold up. Boom. Comes with a little string, I assume to be like a bat rope, but there it is. It always, and it does fold in half, though I've never seen it do that in the show that I can remember. Maybe, I don't know, but boom. Tell me that's not cool. I plan on adding the rope and also hanging this from my wall. I don't know what I did with the other Batarang, because I got the third Batarang. I don't know if there's any more than these two. And that one. Oh, and it reaches the spot. All in all, it's pretty freaking good. I wouldn't mind getting one of these made of like metal or something I can actually throw. This one here would break within minutes, as you can see. Take a look at the string, shall we? Yeah, this is just white string. It's like a polycord. Has this little thing on the end. I assume this, yep, goes through the hole. And again, maybe it's not supposed to. There we go. Okay. Boom, like that, I assume. And you throw it and you pull yourself up the wall while famous actors stick their heads out sideways out of a window. Very unconvincingly sideways out the window. But some days you just can't get rid of a bomb. You know what that's from? We all do. We love Adam West. Rest in peace. Now the holder, yeah, that's just a chunk of plastic gonna go in the garbage. All in all, pretty cool. If you look at the two, the original, the Batman Beyond, I wouldn't mind an animated series. Maybe the other one's the animated series one. I don't recall. I know I have another Batarang somewhere. It comes is the first one they released. But I don't know how long this thing's been in the box. I don't know how long that battery's gonna last. Both of these are going on the wall, and I gotta say they're pretty freaking sweet. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. And while you're at it, why not like, share, and subscribe? And tell me, do you I want to thank you for watching again. Please like, share, and subscribe, and keep it real, my legends. With that, I give you Double D out.